Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make soup number 5, a unique and flavorful Filipino dish. First, you'll need to prepare the main ingredients, the bull's testicles and penis. Begin by thoroughly cleaning them and then parboiling them in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step helps remove any impurities. After parboiling, discard the water and rinse the ingredients well under running water. Now, gather your aromatic vegetables and special herbs. Next, we focus on tenderizing the main components. Transfer the cleaned ingredients to a pressure cooker. Add fresh water, along with aromatics like ginger, onions, and a cibote herb mix, which adds a unique flavor. Pressure cook for approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until the meat becomes incredibly tender. Once cooked, carefully remove the meat from the broth, allow it to cool slightly, and then slice it into manageable, bite-sized pieces. Now, let's build the rich, flavorful broth. First, strain the liquid from the pressure cooker to separate any solids, leaving you with a clear, aromatic broth. In a separate pot, heat some cooking oil and sauté minced garlic, sliced onions, and julienne ginger until they are fragrant and softened. Then, add your tender, sliced meat to these sautéed aromatics, stirring and cooking for a few minutes to infuse the flavors. For the final steps, pour the reserved, strained broth into the pot with your sautéed meat and aromatics. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Season the soup with fish sauce and freshly ground black pepper to taste. If you prefer a thicker consistency, stir in a cornstarch slurry. Serve your soup number 5 hot, garnished with fresh chopped spring onions, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.